Hello everyone. In this short lesson, we are going to learn how we can change the value of a dimension in Revit. In CAD, it's easy to change those dimensions. You just simply click and change it. In Revit, it doesn't allow us. If I click here and I want to change replace with text, for instance, 11.75, I want to change it to 12. And if I hit OK, it says that you have to change the wall to get that number. So how we can solve this problem? You just right click here and from insert Unicode control character, you just pick one of these. For instance, this one, and then you hit OK. Now it just changed that without changing the wall. So this one is 6.62. If I move the wall, that number will change, but I want to change this without moving the wall. So again, I click on the number, on the value, oh, sorry, and then replace with text. I put 6.5, right click, insert Unicode control character, and then OK. Just simply I could change that, or you can do any number that you want. So this is how we can change the value of a dimension in Revit. Please let me know if you had any other question regarding dimensioning in Revit.